Happy Wednesday. It is November 6th and it's currently 9:05 in the morning. But happy Wednesday. I need to fill up my water bottle, my water cup, whatever you want to call it. Ran out of water. But yeah, happy stinking Wednesday. Happy, I guess. Yeah, we'll go with that. I don't know if they're called like a consultant or whatever from Herbalife sent me a starter kit, and I'm gonna have one of these beverages enhancers. I'm assuming I was supposed to add it to something other than like the water, but I'm just adding it to water. So this is rainbow candy, so let's see how it looks like. It smells good. Looks like it's gonna be red. It's currently 10:30. About half an hour I'll be going on Zoom for Bible study with church, like some people from church. I don't know if it's because I've been sick with my sinuses, but it's one of those days where I am just tired. I could literally like now close my eyes and just fall asleep. I am that tired. Like I said, I don't know if it's because I've been sick and I haven't been really sleeping well at night because of it, which is probably most likely it, but I am so tired. I was just like, I could sleep right now, you know. But yeah, the day is still young. I need a nap. I need energy drink. I need caffeine. I need something. It's raining again. Right now it's just a drizzle, but I better not forget my umbrella when I go out later. Look at my umbrella. I have it with me. I am so over the rain already. That's even funny. It's like I'm done. I love the rain. And when there's too much days of rain, I don't like it. Putting like a light sweater on, so it's feeling kind of cold even before I went home. So the rain is making me feel cold. There's the moon. Well, it's hard to see, but the moon is there.